Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make my angel charms. These are great at Christmas time, for jewellery, or Christmas decorations. So what I have some head pins. These are 4 to 5mm, and for each one you need a bead. These are 8mm. This is just an acrylic pearl. We have lucite flower beads for the skirt. We have 2 different types of bead caps. And we have some angel wing charms. So that's what we need per angel. Now, are they going to stay there? So we take our head pin. If they're a little bit bent, you can just straighten them with your pliers. And first of all, I forgot to say, I've got my cutters, ring nose pliers and normal pliers. So first of all, we attach our skirt, then a bead cap for the top of the skirt, then we add our angel wings, pearl bead for the head, and then a bead cap on top. And then what we do, we need to make sure you've pulled that up. You don't want to cut it like that and have that. So pull it right up. And then we need to have a centimetre. So you can measure it, but I'm going to eyeball it. About there. I do have a bin at the side of me. So then we are going to, I do have a video for making loops, which I will link for you. So what we do, we have to bend 90 degrees. So it looks like this. So I take it like this, and then I'm going to bend back to make the loop. Take it out. And then if it's not completely straight, you can just lift it up and then bend back over. So there's our first one. Just going to do another one. So we put the lucite bead, these go on top, angel wings. Let's do a burgundy coloured one. I do have a website available, which is www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, which sells handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. Handmade jewellery is free postage within the UK. I'll put a link below as well. So again, we need a centimetre, and then we snip. We are then going to bend it 90 degrees. So it looks like this. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe. I have lots of tutorials available. And then we are going to make a loop. Here we are. I'll do one more. Hope you're all having a good day today. I make these and put them in Christmas crackers. So many uses. There we go, that one. So again, we're going to cut about 1 centimetre. Do a 90-degree bend, like so. And then loop back. There we go. So that's how I make my angel charms. So why don't you have a go? Let me know how you get on. They're so pretty to make. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.